So here we are with one of the most charming women I've ever come across. A super networker, somebody who knows how to strike the chord of the person across her. And this is something what she's mastered over the years. There are people who say, अगर धर्मिष्ठा ने कहा है तो सही होगा. अगर धर्मिष्ठा कह रही है तो मैं डेफिनेटली आऊंगा. धर्मिष्ठा बेन ऐसा तो धर्मिष्ठा बेन वैसा. This is who Dharmishta is. And today I have this opportunity to interview Dharmishta. So before I ask Dharmishta to come on the screen, let me share with you, Dharmishta is from Mumbai. She is somebody who is an investment consultant who works with business owners across the, not only business owners, normal family people as well across the country. And she's been doing this for over 18 years now. Today, let us speak to her. What are some of her achievements? What is it something that she wants to share with the people around her? And many more things. So, hi Dharmishta. Tell us something about yourself.
Blessed with two moms at home, mother to a 15-year-old teen. Hubby, being a CA and a money multiplier, blessed in abundance. I had started my career at age 18 when I was crowned as a Queen of Friendship. So having said that, always love to be in the people's zone, loved connecting with people. That's about me.
Fantastic. So tell us something more about what you do in life.
Okay. For a living, I help people safeguard their 3Ds, disease, disability, and death. So having started with ICICI Prudential into insurance, mutual fund, Mediclaim, wills, and alternate and passive income. So for a living, yes, this is our main forte. And we are one-stop solution to savings, investment, and a lot more that one can do with money. So as a thanksgiving to the society, I lead this community group, Mulund Smart Mommies. We are blessed with 15,000 members out there on Facebook and 23 groups actively running on WhatsApp.
Awesome. Awesome. So I personally believe that community is the heart of your business, heart of your life. The more you create, the larger a community you have around you, the more successful you are. So I must definitely say Dharmishta is one of the most successful people around me. So Dharmishta, tell us something more about how did you go about creating this community? What is it that keeps this community together?
Okay, so basically as far as this community is concerned, it's of mommies, that is mothers, residing in our local area. That is Mulund Bhandup Thana, where I am based. Reason to concentrate only with the mothers out here is connecting with the people around. So at least the reach is reachable. A lot of times it does happen that we are into n number of other groups, n number of other community groups, but then there is no as such connection. If we see what our business was 20 years ago and what is it today, it always has run on relationships. So whether we are into a tangible product or intangible product, relationship works. Relationship is the key to growth, whether it is only for a business or in fact family growth too. So here in Mulund Smart Mommies, we nurture our relationships, we help each other grow professionally, as well as in case we are of any help to personal requirements also, we are hand in hand to each other. The main base being localites and mommies. So who better could it be than the pillar of the house being strengthened? And nowadays they say females are the pillars of success, and we have a new mother out here who has just given birth to a newborn, and we have grandmothers also, the youngest being age 86. So that's about Mulund Smart Mommies. We are here for the women, by the women, and to the women out here.
Awesome. So, what would be your pearls of wisdom for people to create communities around them? What should be the three most important things people should take care of when they're creating a community around them?
First, the why should be clear. Why am I creating this? A little bit R&D definitely helps, because in a lot of cases we've seen that if there is no R&D, the best of foundations even crack up. Once the why is clear, the pathway is much easier. Second pearl would be that how much time in a week am I able to give in? So if I know the designated time, the energy, maybe in case there is any capital which is so required as far as monetary is concerned, what is it that I'm able to share up such that this community goes and grows? The point is, when we are here since 5 years, I'm talking about Mulund Smart Mommies group, we are here since 5 years now. So the foundation is very clear, not only to help co-members, but even grow the respective business. एक सिंपल सी चीज है, मुझे अगर घी खरीदना है तो घी मैं नीचे से बाजार में से जाके भी ले सकती हूँ. मुझे खाखरा या कोई फरसान लेना है, मैं नीचे से जाके भी ले सकती हूँ. When we support the co-members, one is we get the right quality, economically priced, and the most important thing is freshness. If we see a lot of other key points, I would say when we are starting a community, the best third point would be, how is it that I am able to connect the co-members also? So as far as Mulund Smart Mommies is concerned, one key initiative that we are undergoing is something like MSM initiative, whereby in case a co-member gives a discount or a free session, I roll out in all the active WhatsApp groups that we are in. So currently we are running on 23 WhatsApp groups. As the network grows and more WhatsApp groups are created, the MSM initiative shall be rolled out once in a month in all the WhatsApp groups.
Awesome. So this way you are helping new entrepreneurs to grow, and you're actually supporting them such that they sustain and they get to do something more creative. Awesome. Right. That's a really good contribution to the society at large. And what are the future plans for MSM, if you will want to share?
As far as Mulund Smart Mommies is concerned, जैसे financial advising मेरा बैंक अकाउंट भरता है, Mulund Smart Mommies मेरा कर्म का घड़ा भर रहा है. तो ये जैसे ग्रो हो रहा है, I'm also growing in abundance as far as Mulund Smart Mommies is concerned. So जैसे मेरा कर्म का घड़ा भरता जाएगा, I'm blessed out here.
That's really a good.
Basically, it's empowering. Yeah, I just had to add on. It is empowering women because she has that inner power to generate enough money, balance her multitasking, and she is the one who can emotionally take care of a lot of relationships. So when the key is taken care, everything else follows. All problems are solved because of this one key. Whether it is financial, emotional, business, anything and everything.
Awesome. And tell us something more about your business. How is it that you've been building that, and why should people come to you?
Okay. I started my career with ICICI Prudential, being an advisor, growing the pathway to being a manager. After which I got married to Pradeep, and then I left my job, started mutual funds, Mediclaim, insurance, and now in this pandemic, I even started with business, that is alternate and passive income. Now, when we generate an alternate or passive income, what we do for the living is plan A. Plan B and C are automatically created where I am not only empowering my income, but ensuring that I get freedom to time as well as money. So basically, there are 5 stages that a person goes through to attain from financial stability to financial abundance. Stage 1 is financial stability where मेरा कपड़ा रोटी कपड़ा मकान हो जाता है, इनकम आती है. Example, if I'm earning 11,000, yes, 10,000 goes into expenses. There is a second stage, and that is where a person attains financial independence such that if I have a particular income, over a period of time, this will help even take care of the investments that I want to make. Stage 3, the most beautiful stage, is financial freedom, where whatever I earn, I have already invested this money, and this investment takes care of my current expenses. A fourth stage, one of the likelihood stages to a lot of you listening out here, and that is financial freedom, where in case I want to plan a foreign trip, or maybe I want to have that extra that I always yearned for, my dream car, a dream house. This is addressed out here. Last but not the least, if you have attained financial abundance, where my plan A is already taken care by the teamwork I have created, plan B and C that I generate income from is already taking care of the multiple foreign trips that I wanted, 2-3 cars that I always wanted down out there. Or in fact, there could be a lot of other hobbies or achievements where I needed money to support me, charity. That's where a person attains financial abundance.
Awesome.
So having said that, I would appreciate a lot of us having this financial health wealth checkup such that when the why is clear, why am I earning, how to do it, what are the various steps I need to follow on a daily basis. This is my key role with our client base. So currently we have more than 2,300 families that we are taking care and ensuring that they attain financial abundance in the years to come.
Phenomenal.
Main base is Indian Airlines pilots that we have.
Awesome. I think we missed one in between. The first one you said is stability. The second one you said is independence. What was the third one?
The third one is financial independence. Second one is where the financial, you can say my lifestyle transportation is taking care. So basically you can name it as financial pathway.
Okay. Fair enough.
Where my transportation and lifestyle key areas are being taken care.
All right, got it. And then the fourth one is freedom and the fifth one is abundance.
The third stage I named it as financial independence because once my income is taking care of the investments and the minimum expenses or the preferential expenses are taken care, it gives me a light zone on the weekend to do what I ever wanted to do. And that's why I name it as financial independence.
All right. So right now you're at 2,300 families that you're impacting.
Yes.
What is the next goal? What is your goal for 2021?
Exploring 4 regions, that is Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Ahmedabad, and Bangalore, where I'm spreading my wings. In last 15 months, I have done the base work. Now is active growth in these 4 regions.
Fantastic. And at the end of 2025, where do you see DBS or Dharmishta Bhatia Shah?
Okay, so 2025, I'll be half the century by age. So by then, I would like to definitely see at least 11 regions being covered by DBS. That's my brand name.
All right, Tathastu. 11 regions and
Thank
how
you.
many families?
Families, I could cover up at least 4,500, if not more. Not talking too high a family number, but this is an average goal sheet that I have made.
So in one region, you got 2,300 and in 11 regions, only 4,500.
My reach has to go that fast. So once I'm going and growing in that speed, yes.
So more power to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right. Anything else you'd like to share with the people who are listening to you right now?
Not really. I would say first that 2021 has just started. Please ensure that you write whatever is the income coming in, whatever are the expenses bit by bit, because we take it for granted कि हाँ मुझे अंदाजा है कि मेरा expense इतना है, बच्चों के खर्चा इतना है, family पे इतना जाता है, investments इतने होते हैं, but when you write it down, when there is a structure being created, it gives a lot of clarity. You get the why to investment also. So I would rather suggest, please get in touch with the right person who is taking care of your money, because the best of entrepreneurs always have a coach with them. So when you have a financial coach with you, the power to earning as well as investment, the why, what, how is taken care so very easily. And last, what you achieve is freedom of time and money. What more does one want? Peace of mind.
Awesome. Awesome.
Thank you.
And you've been associated with eGrowth for some time. In fact, from the very beginning. And you've definitely helped in building the community. So tell us something
Thanks
more
to
about
you for
eGrowth.
trusting me out there. Thanks to you for trusting me.
My pleasure.
Had you not trusted me, I'm sure this foundation would not have taken shape what it is today.
Yeah. So trust is the foundation of any business, any life, any relationship, any community.
Yes.
So trust is one of the fundamental things about eGrowth. Yeah.
Yes.
So anything else you would like to share about eGrowth, your journey with eGrowth?
About eGrowth, yes, you have the right person nurturing it, and that's our key person, Mr. Atul Puri. I have worked with him really closely. So the people listening to this video, let me tell you, eGrowth is a gold mine. As I always say, connects, relationship, collaboration is the key to business growth. And which other platform could it be than eGrowth? Simply because, as I said earlier, eGrowth is a gold mine of members. So I would just say one thing: eGrowth is with the right person out here. By itself, eGrowth is a gold mine with the right real members. Just join it, invest in case you have to, because yes, this is a very good passive investment that you will make in case you are planning to join in, let's say for the premium circle or the inner circle as we call it. It will give you passive income. How? We can always discuss it one-to-one.
Awesome. That was really very beautifully put. All right. Anything else you'd like to share today?
Not really.
All right.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. for interviewing your counterpart. It's a pleasure working with you.
Thank you.
It's a
Thank
pleasure
you.
to be in eGrowth.
My pleasure.
That's
All right.
it from me.
Yeah. And we are very close to your very special day.
Yes.
Something you like to share about that?
I'm just counting hours, excited because I know at the back end, a lot of members, a lot of connects are really working hard to make it big. I can sense that. And I'm just out to relax, enjoy the next few hours as the countdown has begun.
All right. So wish you a very happy birthday. May
So much,
you
Atul.
shine, may you grow, may you live in financial abundance. State 5.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Your period starts now.
Thank you so much.
All right. Have a great time.
Thanks for this opportunity, Atul.
Yeah.